Perfect for times when your pantry is low in ingredients and you just want something quick and simple. This vegan kebab recipe creates succulent and soft kebab patties, Shami kebab style, that are packed with nourishing ingredients and rich in flavor. Made with black beans and sweet potatoes and infused with traditional South Asian spices to create a healthy Indian recipe that's also family friendly. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a vegan kebab. Hi folks, welcome back to my channel Desilicious Den Dietitian on Demand, where I show busy health seekers like yourself how to eat for health, nourish mindfully and thrive. And this is your go-to source for health optimizing actionables and lip-smacking, easy and healthy recipes with a culture twist. If that sounds like it's your cup of tea, hit that subscribe button. Okay, let's make this luscious vegan kebab recipe. After washing the sweet potatoes, use a sharp knife to pierce holes all around. To make life easier, I cook them in the microwave on high until they're nice and soft. While the potatoes are cooking, pulse the beans and add the oil to a food processor, blitz and transfer to a large mixing bowl. When the potatoes are cooked, slice them through the middle, scoop out that flesh and combine with the bean mixture. Add the onions, spices and cilantro. Now I like to use my hands to combine the ingredients. Place them in the freezer so the mixture is less sticky, making it easier to shape into patties. When you're ready to enjoy the kebabs, heat a dash of oil in a pan and fry them. Finish by squeezing some fresh lemon juice and serve stuffed into pita bread if you like. I've stuffed mine with purple cabbage, guacamole and a bit more cilantro. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up or leave me a comment. I'd love to know what nutrition and diet related topics and yummy recipes you'd like me to cook in the Desilicious kitchen. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.